Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. Today, we're gonna jump on my beautiful Moto M1000RR, and I'm gonna take you through the filthy streets and show you some really cool and awesome sights. But before we do that, let's thank the sponsor of today's video, RECC Watches. The cool guys at RECC sent me this awesome watch, which we're gonna unbox right now. And I wanna show you just how special this timepiece, designed in Denmark and made in Switzerland, truly is. Well, the packaging is really nice. I'm excited to open it up. I already know that this watch is called the Triple T, and it was designed with pieces and parts from Evel Knievel's Harley-Davidson XR750. Yes, guys, that's really awesome. And each of their watches is designed with bits and pieces and parts from different machines. So let's open it up. Wow, another box. Well, they get an A+ for the packaging, and inside this we have yet another box. And this one beholds the timepiece. Nice leather case, I like that. Oh, wow, let's open it up. Oh, look, okay. Look at this, guys. This is nice. Totally matches, ironically, my M1000RR, which is outside. And if you look closely, you can see the movements of the timepiece. There is a nice amount of weight to this watch. Oh, look at the back. So yeah, it weighs, you can actually feel the weight of the watch, which is nice. Then we look at the back and you can see the movement of the watch. Yeah, you can definitely tell that it's made in Switzerland. Again, designed in Denmark, but actually made in Switzerland. Wow, feels great, guys. And looks nice on my wrist also. RECC watches, guys. I'm gonna wear this a little more and tell you how it feels. But in the looks department and in the packaging department, A+ for RECC watches. I made a very popular video last year showing you that the owner of our Cleveland Browns football team lives very close to the hood. Well, this time, I'm making a video showing you that our good buddy, Lebron James, lives very close to Akron, Ohio. There's his house right here to my right. And here are some of his neighbors and folks like myself driving up and down the street to actually check out his private residence. I'm gonna circle back around, but you see that he's in a very residential area. Very nice homes, well manicured lawns. In a very sought after neighborhood. It's a very nice neighborhood. Yeah. But this is, of course, one of his Ohio homes. LeBron James has several homes all over the world. But this house was very popular when it was built many years ago. Well, not many years ago, but maybe 10 or so years ago. State-of-the-art architecture. You know, he's got it really hitting off with trees and stuff, but there it is right there, guys. There's always some sort of guard out there. It's said that he bought several homes and tore them down just to build his huge estate. Because I believe that's another entrance to it. That's like his pool house or something's back there. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice home. I'm gonna back the heck up and get out of here before his security detail comes out. But yeah, man, that's LeBron James' home. He lives in a suburb of Akron. But I'm gonna show you that unlike Jimmy Haslam that owns the Cleveland Browns, LeBron James does not live very close to the hood at all. So this is suburban Akron. As you can see, it's very nice. Very quiet. neighborhood with some absolutely stunning homes. I mean, look at that one. That thing has a 6-car garage, for Pete's sake. And just to give you guys a little history of Akron, some of the wealthiest people in American history used to live in Akron, Ohio. I kid you not. Yeah, I mean, this place was known for, you know, rubber and all sorts of things, all sorts of industries way back when. And here's the sign welcoming us to Akron. LeBron James lives just a couple miles that way. We're going to head this way to explore just a little more of the city of Akron. We're going to show you the good, and we're going to show you the not so good areas. Okay, so now we're starting to see a little bit of change in the neighborhoods, right? And we're still not that far from where we started this video, but we can see some changes. Still a very nice neighborhood, in my opinion. There's another McAdam Road over there. Sunoco. It's a nice apartment building. It's been quite a while since I've ridden through Akron myself, so this is pretty interesting for me as well. So, Promise Housing, that has something to do with LeBron James. Somehow some way he helped furnish that place, make affordable housing for low-income individuals, and it looks like a very nice project. Promise Housing. Very cool. Nice to see people giving back to the community. I really like that. And Akron has some very nice hospitals. This one's part of the Cleveland Clinic Foundation, and they're just building up the hospital system all over the place. We are very close to downtown Akron, Ohio. Not a very large downtown area. Certainly doesn't have a lot of skyscrapers or anything of that sort, but still, it is a downtown area. Okay, this is downtown Akron, Ohio. Yeah, guys, get excited. I mean, this is, look at this. How many other cities, you know, are this clean in the downtown area, right? And there's not a tremendous amount of people all over the place. You can kind of walk at your own pace. I think I picked the perfect day for this stroll around Akron. It's a Sunday. There's not very much traffic out. Yeah, that road I was trying to take you to down there is completely blocked off. So I don't think we're going to be able to see it. Okay, folks, that's pretty much all of downtown Akron, Ohio. You know, I hope you like what you saw. We're going to continue our journey through the Akron area, showing you some more sections of this Midwest town. Well, I wouldn't be able to take you through a tour of Akron, Ohio, starting off at Lebron James' house, ending up in this area, home of where Goodyear, their headquarters used to be. Actually, their headquarters are probably still here. But this is it, guys. This company made a lot of people very wealthy in the early 1900s, the 1920s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and such. And lots of folks worked for this company. Lots of folks still do. But this is what Akron was pretty much built around, was the Goodyear company. And you can see they have facilities all over the place. Yeah. But that's Akron, Ohio, folks. Yeah. There's a lot to see. I've taken you through pretty much most of it. On this beautiful day where there wasn't too much traffic out, not too many interruptions. There is a spot that I want to take you to before we end this video, and I always seem to forget where exactly it's at, but I think we're close. I think we're close. This is where I wanted to take you to. Look at this giant facility, guys. Look at it, it's massive. They used to make lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of tires here. And now, nothing. This place is just huge. Look at the engineering that was required to build this building way back in the day. And now, it sits empty, a former shell of itself. Wow. I tell you guys, that is something. And right over here, used to be probably employee parking. It was a big employee parking lot, and now it's nothing. Wow. That clock doesn't even work anymore. But guess what? Guess what does work? And what works very well is my amazing RECC Triple T watch. Look at that. That's working just fine. 7:07 p.m. Look at that. It fits nice. It's very comfortable. Hopefully while I'm filming this, no one comes and relieves me of this fantastic watch. But yeah, look at this, guys. I love it. I could probably put it on maybe one more level of tightness. There we go. But the band is very comfortable. And I told you guys earlier how it matches the M1000RR, almost to the letter. And yet, it's made from pieces of Evel Knievel's very last Harley-Davidson XR750 motorcycle. Yeah, and then it does something cool. You can move it around. I'm not exactly sure why I would want to do that, but you can do it. Special thanks to our good friends at RECC Watches. Designed in Denmark, made in Switzerland. Link to these amazing watches is in the description of this video. They not only have this watch, but several more. I love this watch. You're going to see it a lot more on the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, of me strolling through Akron, Ohio, or what's left of it. I tell you, it saddens me. It deeply saddens me to see this building the former Goodyear plant. A mere shell of itself. The parking lot does not even exist anymore. It's grassed over. Wow. But it is nice that I can have a quiet moment and talk to you all from this location as we admire the Moto M1000 RR. Beautiful bike. Look how the sun is glistening off of this bike right now. I think it's great. That's nice. And it even has Evel Knievel, his signature on it. Evel Knievel, limited to 736 pieces. Wow. I love it. Swiss made, automatic. Really cool watch. And they're not really a crazy price either, guys. The price is pretty nice. And look how I could just set it right here on the M1000. I'm trying to set it in the sun somehow. And it fits the bike perfectly. So obviously, guys, you're going to see me wearing this watch quite a bit, as you see me riding this motorcycle quite a bit, because it's such an awesome bike. Especially since Zach the Master Mechanic replaced the M1000RR race seat with the S1000RR seat. Man, guys, anybody that has an M1000RR, you have to do that, because it transformed the bike and made it so comfortable. You know, and you can still do your track days if you want with that seat, with the S1000 seat, if you want to. But if you want to just cruise around and make some videos of your city, which I would like for you guys to do, I'd watch your videos if you made them of your particular town, whether it's in the United States or abroad. Yeah, do that, guys. It's a good idea. Okay. Thanks for viewing. Shout out again, RECC watches. They are awesome, guys. Link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya. And don't forget, ride safe and ride something. Catch you later.